Welcome back to Create and Craft with Katie. Today we're going to do a tour of my living room and kitchen, which I've decorated for Easter. It has quite a few of my DIYs. I will link those in the description box. This is the view from the entryway. Behind me are the formal living and dining rooms, but they have extra furniture in the moment, so we've not decorated in there. We start over here. This was the DIY that I did earlier this week, along with flowers from Joann's. Then I have my little Easter village, the houses you'll recognise from the Target Bullseye's Playground, a large cookie jar at the back, which was Target, but it actually came from dirt cheap. I got it 90% off. The little rabbits are from Hobby Lobby. Then we move around to my fireplace. I'll give you an overview. And then we'll approach and go a bit closer. Here you can see the Easter ladder that I made, the DIY I did last week. By the electric fireplace, we have two large lanterns, which were a flash find at home stores last year. The clock is also from at home. The tobacco baskets were from Walmart with some Joann's florals in them. I just attached them with command hooks. They'll come down off the shiplap wall, no problem. And here's a little look across my mantle. Most of the items here were, well, the bird cages were a great clearance find at $4 each at Walmart. A lot of the other pieces were Home Goods, Ross, Hobby Lobby. I really like this set of rabbit plates and jugs. Those were from Ross. The blue rabbit was from Hobby Lobby. The Easter sign was from Ross. The bird inside the cage, he's just from Walmart. There's another one in the other side. Then I have Grandpa Rabbit and his son. The smaller rabbit was from Ross and the large one was from Home Goods. I looked forever to find Grandma Rabbit, but couldn't find her. The bowls were also from Home Goods. To make them stand up, I'll just show you. Can you see? We simply have a small Ziploc container that I've used poster tack on the top bowl to stop it falling, and it gives you the opportunity to see both of the bowls. The huge egg is from Walmart. The banner across the fireplace is from Target. Then this comes down to one of my favorite little pieces to decorate. This was a log holder from the Hearth and Hand collection at Target a couple of years ago. But now we have an electric fireplace. I no longer need it to store the logs. So I have in the bottom, I have a wreath on a window that I made. The basket is from at home. The lantern is from Hobby Lobby. On the top layer I have a little galvanized house. He's from Hobby Lobby, the same lantern. Inside you can see the large egg that you saw me do on my cotton wrapped eggs tutorial. And we have this little cement bunny, and I filled his barrow with little carrots that I got from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box. In the watering can behind, I have an egg. This lights up. This was from Ross. Then on the little side table, I have a little vignette that I made. I made the tray from a sign from the Dollar Tree. The nest was from Joann's and added a few more of the carrots. The little watering can was from Daiso with some Joann's flowers in it. The rabbit was also from Joann's. And underneath I have a cloche filled with eggs. Some of them were purchased from Amazon, and if you can see closer, the ones on the top are the ones I made in my previous video. We've now moved into the kitchen. I've had to have all the lights on today as it is a very gloomy, dark day. My breakfast table is set. The 3-tiered tray in the center is a DIY. The video will be coming very soon. I just needed to get this tour out before Easter actually occurs. These wonderful chargers were from Ross. They were really cheap, 4 for $4.99. I had seen the chargers individually at Hobby Lobby at $5 and up, and in Pier 1 the same. But these, I really like the pattern on these. The little plates came as a set of 4 from Home Goods. The napkins were from Home Goods. The little rabbits were from Hobby Lobby. On the tiered tray, we have the rabbits holding the eggs are from the Target Bullseye's Playground. We have Little Rabbit on his cabbage plate with some more carrots. That was from Home Goods. The excellent plate is Ray Dunn from, I think Home Goods, may have been TJ Maxx. We have a pair of cute mugs with little bunnies on them. The egg cups. More rabbits. The little the mug and plate set, they were from Hobby Lobby there by Magenta, same people that do the Ray Dunn. And I have two of my homemade carrots inside it. And on the top we have this little farm fresh basket from Michael's. I love this. This was only $5 on sale, and it holds their individual succulents that were $1 a piece, and I added more of the little carrots from Joann's. No, Amazon, sorry. Then this is a new addition. I decided I'd like a shelf above the window, so I picked up a piece of finished pine from Lowe's, added trim to it and painted it, and added these wonderful industrial looking, they look like pipe fittings for the shelf holders. The flowers, these came, the flowers are all from Joann's, and the container also from Joann's. I had my eye on them for a while and waited till they were 70% off. Then we have the plate at the end is from Tuesday Morning. The rabbits are from Hobby Lobby. The little wagon is from Target. The egg in the top is from Walmart. These carrots were from Hobby Lobby. The plate and mug are from Home Goods. And then these rabbits were from just a selection. Some were Marshall's, some was Hobby Lobby. The sign above came from Joann's. This is my coffee bar, all decorated for Easter. The chick banner was from Target. The three-tiered tray was from Hobby Lobby. This, I love. This was one of the huge eggs from Walmart. I sat it in a cappuccino cup, so it looks like an egg waiting to be eaten for breakfast. The Hip Hop canister is Ray Dunn. Some more Ray Dunn mugs. The brightly coloured eggs, the green, yellow and blue, those were from Tuesday Morning. The mugs on the back were from Home Goods. Another pair of Ray Dunn mugs. Then I have this set of 3 Ray Dunn image mugs. I really like these. The hanger that it is on is from IKEA. I have a little cutting board from Target. The coffee house was from At Home Stores. And this little container was from Target Bullseye's Playground. The espresso mugs in the top are enamel from Hobby Lobby, and the egg cups down below are also from Hobby Lobby. This is my little spring section. These are all Ray Dunn. I'm not really a huge Ray Dunn collector, but when I see something, I like it. Again, these are the image mugs, like the ones with the rabbits on. I got the spring and refresh and the tray and the jug all at one Home Goods, and then it took me a trip to 2 Marshalls, a TJ Maxx, and 3 more Home Goods before I finally got the Bloom mug to complete the set of 3. And the flowers are just from Joann's in a little Dollar Tree pot. This little shelf above my kitchen window we put in, it was from IKEA, and the little greenhouse is also from IKEA. I wasn't going to do pink with my Easter this time, but when a lady in Home Goods saw me looking at the Ray Dunn items and she handed me the egg plate that says Honey Bunny on it, I knew I had to have it, and so obviously we had to incorporate pink. So I kept it separate from the rest of the Easter decor. These are all from either Home Goods or Marshalls, TJ Maxx, all the same store really. The florals are from Joann's. The little chickens are from Michael's. You can see a couple of my wrapped eggs. The cat planter at the back was from Joann's. The little rabbit at the top is actually a money bank, and that was from Daiso, or Japanese Dollar Tree as we call it. The little plate matches the teapot and canister inside the greenhouse. You may remember this one from a DIY I shared earlier this week, made with products from Michael's. It sits above my range on the extractor fan. This is also a DIY. This is the rope wrapped wreath that I shared. The whole thing cost me $15. Everything came from the Dollar Tree. This is the final piece. We have this little lamb came from Ross. The chicken I just recently got on clearance in Marshalls. I'd been looking at them for ages, but I didn't want to spend $15. So when it went down to $8, I decided that she was coming home with me. This lantern came from Home Goods last year, and I have used it a lot. It had glass in it. I've taken the glass out as I like to be able to have florals coming out of it. And inside it is a little goose, and she is holding one of my wrapped Easter eggs. So there we have it. That's my decoration for Easter this year. I hope you've enjoyed this. I will be sure to link all of the DIYs in the description below, and if I don't record again before Easter Sunday, I wish you all a very, very blessed Easter. Hope you can spend it with your family and loved ones, and I can't wait to be sharing something again with you soon. Bye. On a final note, we redid our kitchen last year. A lot of my local friends will know that. If you would like me to do a kitchen tour showing you all of the things that I really love about this kitchen, I designed it. All the products are from IKEA. Then be sure to leave me a comment. I'd love to show you. There are very many hidden gems here, and if you are thinking of redoing your kitchen, maybe you might get some ideas. Again, thanks very much. Bye bye.